Hi friends, welcome to SS Stock Alerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the candlestick analysis. Okay, you can come to this analysis and go to others and click on candlestick analysis and you can see it. So before going this analysis, we can do the same thing in the scans also. So just go to scans and here you can find about the candlestick patterns, bullish candlestick patterns and bearish candlestick patterns, and the other one is consolidated candlestick patterns. Okay, so these things, these scans are EOD based, and suppose if user wants to do in a live market, and he can do it via candlestick analysis, and this analysis section can be used in live market as well as in the EOD also. So let us start what it is. Okay, so first thing is we want to identify trades based on the candlestick. Then you can select the time frame, which time frame we want. So we can select the daily, weekly, monthly. So let's go for daily. And the second thing is, so by default we have categorized these scans into three types. Like you can go for bullish and you can select the bearish patterns, so that all bearish candlestick patterns will be displayed here, and our consolidate we can select anything. So suppose you want to mix them, and you mix them and you fine tune whatever it is required, something like this. Okay, so for now let me go with the bullish candlestick patterns. So I want to check if any of the stocks are matching for these patterns. Okay, so the next one is condition type here, and the first one is all patterns match. So what does it mean is, so one stock should match with all these patterns. Okay, so whenever you want to do some combination pattern, then you can go for check this one. But so suppose when we want to check for multiple patterns, like if a stock I want to verify stock is okay with the bullish engulfing and bullish harami or bullish piercing pattern, so I'm okay with any of this pattern, then you should go for any pattern match. So any pattern match is like a, if any one pattern is matches, the stock will appear here. But all pattern match means, so all one stock should have all these patterns. Okay, so this will be useful only whenever we are combining some patterns. So let us see that also later. Okay, so let us go with the any pattern match. So if any one stock is matching with any one pattern here, then it will appear here. And the second thing is, let's go for some optional. So if you're just seeing with the candlestick pattern, it may not be useful. So we want to combine with the price and volume also. Suppose I want to verify, I want to take trade only the price is about 20 SMA or EMA. You can select SMA or EMA. So I'm going to select SMA for, and the volume is greater than 20 days 20 days average volume, and with the 2 times higher. So and the next you can select the filter. Suppose I want to trade only Nifty 500, you can select it, or if you want to select any other sector, you can select it. Okay, so let us go with the Nifty 500, and if you have any price criteria, and you can go for price criteria. So I want minimum 100 rupees as my price criteria, and you can select any volume criteria, and the volume should be minimum 50,000. So I'm selecting like this, and and here the watch list is, suppose you want to scan, you want to perform a scan only for your watch list stocks, not for all other stocks, not for sector, not for any other thing. So you want to do for only your watch list, you can select any your watch list also. And this one, let's click on analyze. So it will analyze your stocks for the Nifty 500, and these are the stocks. So our criteria, one more time we can see, and this is the price about 20, and volume should be greater than 2 times higher. Okay, so you can click here and let us see the chart. Okay, okay, so let us understand. This is the full screen, guys. You can verify it and you can come out of it. So you can go here and verify it easily. So this is for more concentration. And if you see, this is the bullish engulfing pattern, and see the volume, highest volume. Okay, so we have combined, and this is a 20 SMA, and let's go for next. Okay, so this is a kind of doji pattern, and see the volume. There is a highest volume is there, and 20 SMA. This is also above the 20 SMA, and see this highest volume is there, and basically matches with the our criteria. See the large candle and highest one. Okay, so like this you can use it for any other purpose, like suppose you want to go to short, like suppose you want to sell some stocks, and then you can go for a bearishing candlestick patterns, and same thing, and you can check the remove this price above, and okay, and check the volume greater than 20 volume, and something like you can do the same thing on the bearishing side also, so that it will list out all the stocks something. Okay, so some stock is falling, and there is a volume also, huge volume also. Okay, something same thing you can verify for bearishing side also. So suppose we want to trade based on the bullishing, but I don't want to trade all this one, so I am going with the only two patterns. One is bullish engulfing, and second one is I want to go with the green strength candle. So the strength candle is nothing but almost like a uh, if body is greater than 75% of a candle, that is a strength candle, and I want to verify after price is above 20 SMA. So let us check here and analyze. So I want to narrow down my stocks. So I have selected now, and now it is showing only the 13 stocks here. Okay, so you can go for these 13 stocks and verify it. Let us verify it again. So this is a strength candle and large volume. Okay, so this is also GMR Infra strength candle, and almost some good structure is there. GSPL and very nice structure. Okay, so here also you can find it in the even in the, you can find this one in the real market if you have tried here. Okay, I think this ROPA is see, whenever there is a red candles, the volume is very less, and whenever there is a green candle and the volume is high, and yeah, I think this is a good kind of structure. Okay, so because here is forming a lower high and lower low, so now this price is challenging this guy. Okay, so whenever this is the last high, if price is going above this high, then it is a bullish pattern. So above this level, like any breakout above this level, so the trend will change, and maybe the target can be 300 and it can be 320. So, and yeah, and this is also excellent stock. So here this is in a box formation. So it was trying here, and there is a pullback, again trying here, there is a pullback. Now this time see, it is starting with a good strength candle and a large volume buildup. Okay, so if it is going to break this above, right, we can enter a position, and we can, the SL can be below of this candle, and the target can be this length, like 600 can be the target. So hope this candlestick patterns will be helpful for your trading. Thank you. Please subscribe our SS Alerts channel.